Um, okay, so that she takes a red sweet is 7 over 18. That she does not take a green sweet would be 12 over 18, which can be simplified to 6 over 9 or 1 or 2/3.
Okay.
And takes a yellow sweet would be 0 out of 18. So 0.
Yes. So bottom one is second. Where's my thing gone? I can't see my pen. Okay, so 0. Red was 7. And then the other way to do this one is 1 minus the probability of green. And you'll need that later on. That's good.
Okay.
Okay, so this is 2 marks.
Okay, so if 2 out of 7 is okay, so I'd put as a percentage, I think.
Okay.
So 2 over 7 is the same as 28.5%.
Okay.
And then yeah, I'm not sure to be honest.
So do you remember in this previous one, you simplified the second one?
Yeah.
So it was initially, what was this, a red, sorry, the green one. So it'll be 6, 18, so it was 12 over 18. And you simplified that down.
Yeah.
6 over 9, 2 over 3. So you can do the same here, but so this 2 out of 7 has been fully simplified. So what else could it have been?
2 over 70. 20 over 70, sorry.
Let's keep it simple.
Below 4 over 14.
So let's say 4 over 14. So could that be possible for this one?
Yeah.
So how many yellows?
Oh, okay. So that would have been 4 yellows, 7 blues, 3 reds.
And so that'll be 4. Yeah, 4 yellows. So 4 yellows. So this is 10 plus these 4 gives a total of 14, and this is 4 out of it. So you can just kind of work in reverse. 6 over 7, 14, 21, and do it that way until you have more than enough. It couldn't be 2 out of 7 because there's already 10, so it'd have to be more than 7.
Okay.
So that was 4. So they did 3 plus 7 over n equals 5 over 7. Okay, yeah. Let's see. So this is 2 marks. Is green.
Okay.
Alright. Your audio is gone. I can hear you again.
Yeah, sorry. So 3 over 12, so a quarter.
Yeah. I think the extra mark was just for the adding up.
Simplifying.
Okay, we'll do one of these, I suppose.
Okay, 3/10.
Yeah, not surprising that that's 2 marks. Okay, how about this?
Sorry, I don't understand the first two statements.
So basically, there's a lot of white beads in a bag.
Yeah.
And there's only white beads in the bag. So there's a bag filled with lots and lots of white beads only.
Okay. So, I'm not sure to myself.
So, you know the way she put in 30 black beads?
Yeah.
So I think it is 30 out of the total. So that's the number of black beads.
Yeah.
And that is equal to 2 out of 50. So basically this is the total black, and then this is like the probability of black. And so it's like this is the simplified version, and then this would be the absolute one before you simplify it down.
Okay.
I think.
So, is the denominator 750?
So 750. Let's see, 750. Yes. And so yeah, basically, so 2 out of 50 is the same as 4%, and so therefore 30 is 4%, and so 750 is 100%. So you could just times them both by 25 or whatever way you do it, but that's kind of where it comes from.
Okay.
Yeah, so 2 out of 50 is equal to 30 out of the total. Okay, how about this?
The only red characters and blue characters. Six over 10 is the probability, so 2/3.
That's okay.
Not 2/3. It would have been 2/5.
How about this one?
Okay. Um, 2 out of 6, so 1/3.
Yep. Okay, how about this one? Calculator.
Okay, I do 15 divided by 105 times 100.
Yep.
Then I'd get 14.2% or 3%.
3%. Okay. Let's try these.
Yeah. Okay, that is a white chocolate. So 9 over 30, which is the same as 3 over 10, I guess.
As 9 over 30, 10. And then how about down the bottom?
Sorry, I can't even read the ones at the bottom because I've got the, if you know what I mean, the mute button and all the others.
Hang on a sec. Try this. Is that better?
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so 0.35 plus 0.17. 0.48.
0.48. Let's see. That's fine, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's try this.
Uh, 2 out of 10.
Yep. 10. And you'll notice they didn't write 1 over 5 because you don't have to simplify probabilities because sometimes you have to simplify them later. Okay, let's try 3 marks.
Bag A is 3 over 7. Bag B is it's got 12 in total, and so 5 over 12, I think. And so I'd probably put them on the same with the same denominator. So 7 times 12 is 84. 3 times 12 is 36, so 36 over 84. And then 5 times 7 is 35. And 12 times 7 is 84. So, and then bag A gives you a higher probability.
That's it. Okay, let's try this.
Okay, so 0.4 plus 0.15 equals 0.55. So there's only 0.45 left, and it says that red is 4 times the number of green in the bag, so I might do divided by 5, I think. Get 0.09. So I think green is 0.09 and red is 0.36. So if a third is 5 people is a third, I think that everyone in the room, the total of everyone in the room must be 15. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 15 minus 11 is 4. I think there's 4 adults.
Probability?
So 4 over 15.
So 4 over 15. Okay. How about this?
Um, 3 times 3 times 3
Okay.
is 27, so I think that the probability that he gets the correct code is 1 over 27.
27. Oh, let's check this. You have to enter the code to open the lock. The correct code is B3. He enters at random one of the letters. What is the probability he answers the correct letter?
Is it simply 3 times 3? ABC times 1, 2, 3.
No. So what's the probability? So I'm just going to do it in two different parts.
Okay.
So what's the probability he gets the correct letter on his first try?
1 over 3.
Yeah. What's the probability he gets the correct number?
1 over 3 also.
And what do you do with those two?
Multiply them, okay, 1 over 9.
Yes. Over 9. That's it. Okay, how about this?
Okay. So 1800 times 0.03 is 54. So 1800 minus 54 is 1746.
You have to complete this table. I think you'd be fine for that. Let's see. Yeah. Let's
Okay. So at first the probability was 9 over 20. It's now 2 over 5, which is the same as 4 over 20. Can I put 4 over 20 over 30? So 6 over 30.
okay. What would be 2 over 5? Actually, 2 over 5 isn't equal to 4 over 20, is it?
No, you're right, sorry, 16 over 20. Sorry.
Not 16, I don't think.
8.
Yeah.
I'm still not sure.
What would that be out of 30?
12 over 30.
Because there's 30 beads now.
So 3 more only.
3 more, yes. 3 more.
Okay.
That's it. So Yeah, it was out of 30, and so yeah, 2/5 is 12 out of 30, and so it was 12 minus 9, minus
Oh,
the original 9. Okay, let's try this.
okay, so the chances of winning are 2 over 10 for one person. So chances of winning for 100 people would be 100 over 1, so that would be 200 over 10.
No. Can I have a probability of more than one?
Not too sure.
It's kind of a different thing. Okay, so what is 200 over 10?
20.
Okay, so how can you do that?
Um, uh, 20 is £20 the number of people you're gonna win? I don't know.
20 people.
Okay.
So that's 20 people winning.
So 20 times a pound would be £20 lost, and 100 times 30 would be £30 gain. So 30 minus 20 is a £10 gain.
That's it. £10 profit. £10. That's it. Yeah, so that 20 that you found was the 20 wins. That's the expected. Let's see this. No, we can skip this. Let's see this. No, that's fine. Okay, 4 marks. Let's try this.
So the chances of picking. So I think you need a minimum of 220p's for you to get at least 40p or above. So 6 coins in a box, 2 over 6 or 1 over 3 is your chance of picking both 20p's, I think. And then chance of picking the only other way of getting above 40p is 20 and 50.
Yeah.
And I think you've got is it the same? 2 over 6?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'd multiply the 2 to get 4 over 36.
Hold on. So they're two different things. So the probability of taking a 20 out first is 2 out of 6.
Uh-huh.
What's the probability that the next coin you get is also 20p? After you take that one out.
Sorry, I thought 2 out of 6 was the probability of getting 2 coins.
That's probability of getting 1 20p.
But there's 6 coins in the box.
So there's 2 20p's, and so it's 2 20s out of 6 in total.
Okay.
So you've taken this 20p away. So now what's the probability of the next one being 20p?
1 over 5.
Yes. And so
But sorry, the 2 over 6. What's that the probability
of your first coin being a 20p.
Shouldn't that be 1 over 6?
There's 2 20p's. So the probability of taking a 10p would be 3 out of 6.
Okay.
Yeah. 50p, 1 out of 6.
Okay. So 2 out of 6, okay.
And so what's the probability of taking 20p then 20p? How do you get that? So you have 2 out of 6, then 1 out of 5.
Multiply the 2.
Yeah.
So you get 2 over 30.
Yeah. And so that was if you took this 20p first and then this 20p second. You could also take the second 20p first and the first 20p second.
Yeah.
And so basically that doubles your chances. And instead of it being 2 out of 30, what would it be?
4 out of 30?
Yes. That would be 4 out of 30. Okay. Now try the 50p.
Chance of getting a 120p would be 2 out of 6 still.
Mm-hmm.
Then of getting the second one would be 1 out of 5.
Mm-hmm.
Multiply the 2, you get 2 over 30.
Uh-huh. And is there any other way you could get a 50p and a 20p?
What if you get the second 20p?
Let's see. So that was 2 over 6, that's 1 out of 5. So the other possibility would be is if you took the other the 50p first and then the 20p second.
But what if we took, because there's 2 20p, so isn't there double likelihood of getting a 20p?
So there's a double chance of this happening. I believe that's because we could take it in the other order, and this is just 2 out of 6 because we did both of those.
Okay.
With the 2. Otherwise we'd have to do 1 over 6 and then do it again. 2 times that by 2.
Okay.
And so what is this?
4 over 30 times, yes, so times 2, 4 over 30.
Okay. So probability of it being at least 40p.
I'm not sure.
Well, we have 4 chances of it being 40p, 4 chances of it being 70p. And so how many chances that it's 40 or more?
8 chances?
Yeah. Add those. 8 out of 30. And let's see. Is this the right one? So 12 out of 30. Am I doing the right one? 50, 10. Oh wow, hold on. We missed out on some. You could do 50 and 10 as well.
Ah, yes, okay. Yep.
And so
that one would be 3 out of 6 for 10p's, 1 out of 5 for 50p, then times 2. Well, no, times, I don't know, 3 or 4 in that case.
let's see. I think we'll just be times 2 again. Because you can get 50. So we've taken all 3 into account because we did 3 out of 6. So it's like 3 out of 6 times 1 over 5. Then the other possibility is 1 over 5 times, 1 over 6 times 3 over 5. So 1 over 6 is the 51st, and then 3 out of 5 left over for 10p second. And so that would be 3 over 30, that would be 3 over 30, and so you get the same thing as just multiplying it by 2. So 6 over 30. And so what would be the total chances here?
14 over 30.
I'm thinking 14 over 30. Are they saying... They're saying 12 over 30. Why is that? 50 and 10, 10 and 50, 2 and 20. Oh, I see. 20, 20. It's because 2 20s are the same thing as each other. And so actually this is just 2 over 20. Because it's just the same thing twice. So 20p and 20p is the same thing. Okay. So it's actually 12 over 20. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Any questions with that?
No.
So that's kind of a different thing. That's conditional, but multiply somewhere. So this is also in relative frequency. Let me just take a look at this. Yeah, okay, it's a 5 marker. Let's try this.
To get a total of 9, you have to get either 2 and 7.
So I'd start with 1.
1 and 8.
1 and 8. Yeah. Anything else?
2 and 7.
Stay with 1. Do all the 1s first, so follow that system. Oh, it needs to get a total score of exactly 9, is it? Oh yeah, I thought it was at least 9, sorry. Yeah, so okay, so 1 and 8, 2 and 7. Okay, 1 and 7, 2 and 8.
2 and 8, yeah. No, sorry.
Sorry, 2 and 7, yeah.
Yeah. 4 and 5. And that's it.
5, 4.
So,
There's one more possibility.
can't see it.
So this was set A, that's set B. What if you took a 7 from set A?
You can't take a 7 from set B.
What can you take? So if you take a 7 from set A, what do you take from set B to get a 9?
2.
Yes, and so 7 and 2 isn't the same as 2 and 7, because that's set A, that's set B. This one is, set B, set A.
But we can't get a 7 from set B, can we?
So we can get a 7 from set... Oh, I see what you're saying, sorry. So 1, then 8. So that's what you were talking about. 7, then 2. Okay. So I'll leave it at 7 and 2.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
So I think there's 3 chances of us getting a total score of 9, and then we can work out the. So. It's 1 chance out of 5.
Yeah.
For set A, and 1 chance out of 4 for set B. And I think I'd multiply the 2, giving us 1 over 20. I don't even know what I'm doing at that.
So do the same for the other 2. So you said it already. It's 3 chances in total.
Okay, so it's 1 over 20 for each one.
Yeah. And because it's 3 chances, it'll be 3 over 20.
Okay.
3 chances out of a total of 20 chances.
So you've got 17 out of 20 chances of not making any money, of losing.
Yeah.
So 80 times 17 out of 20.
Yeah.
Is 68. 68 times 70 is 4,760 divided by 100 to get in pounds. It's 4.6. 47.6, sorry. 47.6.
Okay.
So to make a profit of £20. Should make a lot more than £20, I think, unless I've done this wrong.
So 68 students. Well, let's see. 80 play the game. So how much money does she take in?
We must. I forgot. We also have to calculate the money that she has to give away for each loss.
Okay.
So 3 over 20 times 80 is 12. So I think 12 people will win. And so 12 times. 12 times 3 is 36. So the previous score, which was 47.6 minus 36, is 11.6. I don't know. I've done this wrong, I think.
You're just forgetting one thing. The students who won, they also paid 70p.
Okay. Okay, so I have to redo the. So 80 times 70 is 5,600 pence, or £56. £56. And 56 minus 36 is 20. Okay.
That was a tricky one. Lots of people got it wrong. Yes. So that's theoretical probability. How do you feel there?
Still quite confused, I think.
So let's try conditional probability. So this one here, I have to find it. histograms. Okay, so this is easy stuff. Do I skip over the easy stuff? We'll just do a little bit. Okay, what is this one on the left? Top left.
On the number 6.
Yeah.
0, 0.
Yeah. And what about on a number 3?
I'd say a half. So between. So yeah, so the middle point. No, sorry, not a half, a quarter. So between 0 and a half. Yeah.
Yes, that's fine. I think that'll be fine for all those. Evens, all that stuff, I think are good. How would you do the one on the left?
Okay, so just write in blue more times than red.
Okay, so how many times?
We'll fill in all the spaces, I think.
Yes, blue, blue, blue. That's it. This one, let's see. Yeah, what would be the what's the top left one?
So she's got one chance out of 6 for the dice, and she's got
So
1 over 2.
they just want all the possible combinations. And they did one here.
Oh, okay, so heads 1,
Mm-hmm.
heads 2, heads 3, heads 4, heads 5, heads 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then the same for tails, so T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6.
Let's see, how would you complete this table?
I think you just have to add them, I think.
Okay,
So 6 and 1 and 8 is 9.
yeah, okay. And then how about question B?
Same. Wait, can you just read out the first 2 words, that question?
What is the probability?
Okay, thank you. What's probability? Greater than 12. Well, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'd say 7 out of 20. I think there is 20 in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. And 7 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Let's see, so this is 1 minus probability. I think you're good for those. Because we did some of those. Let's see. I think the ones that you have difficulty with are the conditional ones. Here we go. Let me see something. Yeah. Okay, let's try this.
Okay. So 2 out of 7 is the first one. The second one's 1 over 7. No, 1 over 6. So multiply the 2, you get 2 over 42.
2 over 42. That's it. Okay, how about this one?
Look at the probability. So the probability that he buys fruit is 7 over 10. Probability that he buys vegetables is 4 over 10, which is the same as 2/5. Probability that he buys both would have to be 28 over 100.
Okay. So maybe. So any idea about this?
No.
So if this was a Venn diagram, and this was fruit, and this was veg, where would the 0.28 go?
In the middle?
Yeah. And so what else would go where?
0.7 would go in the fruit.
Well, did these people in the middle buy fruit?
Yeah.
So they're included in that 0.7?
So do we have to do 0.7 minus 0.28?
Yeah.
Okay, that's 0.42. And it's the same for the vegetables, so 0.12.
Yeah. And so we want the probability they bought fruit or vegetables or both.
So 42 over 100.
Okay, I'm just going to leave it at 0.42.
Okay, yeah, sorry. And then 0.12 for the vegetables.
Yeah.
And 0.28 for both.
And what do you do with those?
Do we add them?
Yes.
Okay. 12. And then 8. 0.2.
0.82, yes, and 0.82. And I believe the quick way of doing that would be 0.7 plus 0.4, and then it would be minus 0.7 times 0.4. Because that's the middle bit. And so adding these two together, you've added the middle in twice, and so taking it away once get you the
Okay.
same thing. Let me just check. 0.7 plus 0.4, which is more than 1, so we'd have to take something away. We get more than 1 because we added the middle twice. Yeah, 0.7 times, and that is 0.82. Great.
Okay.
Any questions there?
No.
And I find the Venn diagram helps, even though you might not need it. Okay, let's try this. So these are the tricky ones, I think.
Oh, okay. So Laura has a 3 in 6 chance of taking 50p's, and same for Famida. So they both have that. They both have a chance of
Wait,
2 in 6.
Wait. So Laura takes a coin and keeps it.
Yeah, okay.
And so what will be Famida's thing?
2 out of 6.
So well, there's not 6 anymore.
2 out of 5. And then
hold on. Okay, so what are the possibilities? So what are the successful outcomes?
That Famida has 2 and Lauren has 1.
Yeah.
That Famida has 1. That Famida has 2 and Laura 50.
Yeah.
And that Famida has 1 and Lauren 50.
Yes. Okay, so now find those. You said, so what was the first one?
Well, the chance of getting 1 that Lauren picks 1 is 1 over 6. Or 2 over 6, 2 over 6.
Okay.
Sorry, Lauren, yes.
So the probability that Laura takes a £1 coin is 2 out of 6.
Okay. And then so the chance of her having
so once she takes a £1 coin, the way she wins is if the other one takes 50p.
Sorry, the £1 coin, that's Lauren who picked it, yes? Or Famida?
The Famida has to. So remember we said it was £2, £1. So
Yep.
So hold on, Hugo. Just start from the start. So you said £2, then £1. So start with that one.
2 out of 6.
No.
For 1 out of 6
Yes.
for Lauren. And 1 out of 5 for Famida.
How many £1 are there?
I thought Famida was going to pick £2. This
So
time.
the first possibility is £2 and then £1. Laura takes £2. Famida takes £1. Yeah.
I thought it was, yeah, in the question it says Famida's coin has a greater value than Laura's.
Oh, okay. So we're sorry, so the way around. So Famida has to take. So Laura takes one at random. So let's. So these are backwards. Let's. Okay. So Laura goes first, so we'll put Laura first. So £1 and then £2. So what's the probability of £1 then £2?
Probability that Lauren has of £1 is 1 over 6. 2 over 6 every time. 2 over 6.
Yep.
And then probability that Famida picks up £2 is 1 over 5.
Yes. Okay, so the second one would be if she takes
£2 and 50p.
No. Laura goes first, but she has to take less. So we just had to flip everything that we did. So 50p, then £2.
Okay. So that would be 3 over 6 for Lauren and 1 over 5 for for me
Yes.
there.
And how about the last one?
Still 3 over 6, 2 over 5.
Yes. Okay, what do we do with these?
Multiply all of them? No, actually. Yes?
You'd multiply the pairs.
Okay. First one is 1 over 15. Second one is 3 over 30.
So hold on. Don't simplify the probability. So 2 over 30, say, for the first one.
Okay.
Then 3 over 30. Okay.
And then 6 over 30.
Yes. So now you don't have to get a common denominator. You were kind of changing the denominator, and then you just have to change it back again.
Okay.
What do you do now?
Calculate the probability. So do we have to add them all up? So 11 over 30 is the chance.
6, 7, 10, 11. 11 out of 30. That's it. Well done. Yeah. So, and there it is. 11 over 30. So, any questions with that? So it's
yes.
all okay. Go on.
I mean, how do you know whether to multiply at? For example, when he got to the pairs, I didn't know whether to multiply them all or.
So, if it's and, you multiply. If it's or, you add. So, for me to get more than Laura, it has to be £1 and £2, or 50p and £2, or 50p and £1. And so these two are multiplied: 2 over 6 and 1 over 5, 3 over 6 and 1 over 5, 3 over 6 and 2 over 5, and then they're added. So it's like there's 2 chances of £1 and £2, 3 chances of 50p and £2, 6 chances of 50p and £1, and then you add those up for the total 11 chances out of 30.
Okay.
Any other questions with that?
No, thank you.
It's tricky stuff. I won't lie. Maybe we can practice it more. So if you want, we can do more of that next time, or we can do something else. Do you have any preference?
I'm not sure, but I will. No, I'm not sure, to be honest. We'll see what we do during the week.
Okay. Any questions from me in general?
No, thank you.
All right. Well done, Hugo. You did great. I look forward to talking again next week.
Great, thank you. Bye.
Have a good week. Goodbye.
Bye.